In this home, comfort is effortless. The thermostat has already reached the chosen 69 degrees, so the system rests. On the drive home, the homeowner can check in with a glance. The app confirms the temperature, letting him focus back on the road.
Feels a little cool in here.
I'll bump the heat up a bit.
That's better already.
Give it a minute, it'll warm right up.
A thermostat does not think. It follows a simple rule. If the room is colder than the set temperature, it turns the system on. If the room is warm enough, it turns the system off. When you set a thermostat to a number, like 70 degrees, you are setting a target. The thermostat constantly measures the air temperature in the room and compares it to that target. If the measured temperature is below the target, the thermostat prepares to activate heating. If it is above the target, it stays idle. The decision is based on comparison, not prediction. Inside every thermostat is a temperature sensor. In older models, this was a mechanical strip made of two metals that bend as temperature changes. In modern thermostats, it is an electronic sensor that changes electrical resistance with heat. As the air warms or cools, the sensor changes. That change is converted into a temperature reading. The thermostat updates this reading continuously. Thermostats do not switch on at the exact target temperature. They use a small buffer range called a differential. For example, if the target is 70 degrees, the thermostat might turn the heat on at 69 and off at 71. This prevents rapid cycling, constant on-off switching that would damage equipment and waste energy. The thermostat waits until the temperature clearly crosses the threshold. When the threshold is crossed, the thermostat sends a signal. In traditional systems, this is a simple electrical circuit closing. That closed circuit tells the furnace or heat pump to start. When the temperature rises back into range, the circuit opens again. The system shuts off. The thermostat itself does not produce heat. It only controls when heating is allowed to run. Smart thermostats still follow the same basic rule. They measure temperature. They compare it to a target. They switch on or off. The difference is timing. They can change targets based on schedules, occupancy, or time of day. But the decision logic remains the same. Below target, on; above target, off. A thermostat is a simple decision system. It measures temperature, compares it to a set point, and controls a switch. No guesswork. No intelligence required. Just clear rules controlling when heat is allowed to flow.